What's cracking, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Honda Recap. I hope you all had a great Father's Day weekend. If you're a dad out there, let's roll with the show. What's cracking, guys? Welcome back to yet again another episode of the Honda Recap. If this is your first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up and that bell so you're notified every Monday night at 8 when this thing airs. We basically hang out, go over what's been going on here on YouTube on a weekly basis with the Honda YouTubers slash creators here on the platform. Hang out in Premiere, have some quick conversations, just get to hang out every Monday night. Thank you to everybody who's here right now in the live in the Premiere. I'm super excited for all the support that's been coming from my Del Sol build. The engine should be in very, very soon, working full time, and just, you know, man, it's taken forever for me too. I feel it, so I'm really trying to get this done because I really want to A, get to the track, and B, just do some like awesome pull videos. And aside from that, I hope to start making a lot more videos because I miss just editing content. So thank you guys for watching me. Let's go ahead and get into this. Kicking this off, we want to do Steven Ocasio, who's been making videos for a very long time and been building his Civic for almost 7 years, I think it is. Put a video out on YouTube kind of going over in 15 minutes the entire build process, and it is doing very, very well. If you haven't gone over to check out Steven Ocasio's latest video, please do so. The video is doing well, and it's awesome to see where he started and where he is now in just one time-lapsed little video. Props to you, dude. Following that, we have Zhou. She's had a Spark OC in Christina for quite some time, but he went over to Neil's garage, picked up another pair. This one isn't ripped, so he now has a pair of blue Sparko seats in the car. If you've been following along, which I know you have, it's going through, his Integra is going through a massive transformation. It is crazy. I think this is V3 or V4. After he came back from California, he decided, you know what, I need to get rid of my wheels. I need to get some new wheels. I got a Giant J's Racing wing, a new hood. Just the whole thing is getting flipped, and I'm really excited to see what's up next. Following that, we got Automotive Anatomy. They've been putting out videos for a long time on some of the coolest builds out there in SoCal. I'm really excited to see how you find these gems and just the way you're putting out the videos so you learn a little bit more about the people driving the car, not just the cars. I'm really excited about that. Keep doing what you're doing. If you're really interested in getting a video and you have a cool car, absolutely hit up Automotive Anatomy. Following that, we got the boys at MT Garage who have an H22 Frankenstein EK hatch with a new front end. I haven't talked about these guys in quite some time, but they are track guys and they have been putting out consistent content for quite some time, and I've been following this H22 EK hatch that they've had for a while now, and I'm really excited that you guys kind of have it running. The new front end is now debuted, and I'm excited for new content. Next up, we got Young Static. This guy's been putting in major work on the EJ after B20. I know it's coming for a turbo. He's learning to do tons and tons of body work right now, pulling dents. He already knew how to paint and do Bondo and things like that, but it's been really fun to just watch the progression of the paint that he's been doing for the EJ. He's on his way to 70,000 subscribers, guys, so hopefully we can get him there. And I know what's next, probably all-wheel drive K-Turbo wagon that I don't know if a lot of you know he has, but you probably do, so, you know, next person. Following that, we got Preston K Power Performance. He's been building an LS Turbo Integra for quite some time, and he finally got it running. He's had some hiccups, but that hasn't stopped him. He just had to get some new parts, fix some oil leaks, and he's out there ripping the streets. I'm excited for you, man. I'm loving the content. That 4K quality is looking amazing, and I'm really excited just for all the vlogs that you've been putting out. Following that, we got Izzi Still Ydg, and I did a video on his H to B EG hatch quite some time ago. If you guys haven't checked that out, boom, check out that video. But he started up a channel and he's doing a lot of photography and videography for other people and his friends, but he's also doing a lot of body work on his hatch. It already looked very, very good. Fixed some of the dings and straightened out some of the cosmetic things that he had an issue with his car. So he's taking us on a walkthrough of how to actually get all that done from his point of view, and I'm excited for the amount of videos he's starting to put out. Definitely head over to Izzi Still Ydg, and I have the link to his channel in the description below along with everybody else I talked about here. Following that, we got Adam Ivel. He's hanging out with Tom Peck and Pete P. Wizzle out there, who finally got his EF hatch out of the garage. No brakes, but it turns on and drives under its own power. This has been like 17 years in the making. Really happy for this because his EF is actually very, very clean, and I can't wait to see what color he chooses. But on top of that, we got Tom Peck and his EP3, and they're finally putting some time in on that. I'm really happy that Adam is hanging out with a lot of his old Honda Diary friends and, you know, getting together and just doing Honda videos. I'm loving the new BMW project as well. I'm excited to see what new content you pull out next. All right, guys, and last but not least, we got Weekend Bandit, who is starting to do a little bit more longer format. He did his first podcast. I'm really excited for this, and I'm really enjoying the podcast format. For some channels that are coming out now, you get to learn a little bit about yourself, your history, your friends, and just about the car community from your point of view. So if you're interested in this kind of long format content, absolutely head over to Weekend Bandit's latest video. It's a great kick it / talking video for you guys. Check it out. All right, guys, that's it for this episode of the Honda Recap. Just wanted to keep it nice and short. Thank you to everybody in Premiere right now. What do you guys have planned this week for your car? Let me know right now in the description and in the comments later. Hit the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up and that bell so you're notified every Monday night at 8 when this thing airs. And absolutely head over to Thehondavlogs.com/shop. Pick yourself up a shirt, a hoodie, or sticker, or anything else you guys would like to support the channel. Thank you to everybody who has already, and I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.